Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this powerful short tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to make £5 every day without investment. Now, this is a very high ticket income project, so do not joke with it. Do not skip any step in the post that was sent to you. This post is a tutorial post. Don't rush the post. Don't rush this update. And make sure you watch every step in this video so that you can learn how to set up this app. This app has been trending online and it has been paying lots of people from $50 you can withdraw. This app is just like TikTok. So once you have clicked on the link in the post of the person that sent this update to you, it's going to take you, it's going to open your app store. If you are using Android, it's going to open your Android Play Store. If you are using iPhone, it's going to open your iPhone App Store. So what you just need to do is to click on install. Your own will be showing install because I have already installed this app, so mine is showing open. So once you have installed this app, as you can see, this app have very positive review. It pays you just for tapping on people's picture. Just for clicking on picture, it pays you. You can, and also it pays you for sharing your own opinion. And as people are voting for your opinion, you'll be earning coins. HICH coin. The name of this app is HICH app. And also, it's going to pay you also for inviting your friends to join. It's free. And every person you invite to join is going to pay you 1,000 coins. And your friends are also going to get 1,000 coins each. And I'm going to show you how to be sending gifts to your friends and receiving gifts to your friends from your friends and making £5 every day. Now, £1 in US dollar is worth about $1.22. And also, if you convert £1 to Nigerian naira currently at the time of making this video, it's about 1,899 naira. So I'm going to be showing you how to be making £5 from HICH apps. HICH app is a content creator app for content creators and for people who want to showcase their contents online. So this app is just like TikTok, but the difference between HICH app and TikTok is that in this app, you start earning right from the very first day you join. You install this app on your phone, you start earning in pounds. Now, they will be paying you in the traditional coin, which is called HICH coin, and each 100,000 HICH coin is worth $1. So I'm going to be showing you how to generate lots of this coin every day. You are going to be withdrawing £5. And the minimum you can withdraw is just $50. As you can see, $50 you can withdraw through PayPal and through Bitcoin. As you can see, you can withdraw through Bitcoin. You can see it. I'm showing you right now. You can withdraw with PayPal if you are convenient with PayPal. You can withdraw with PayPal, and you can withdraw with Bitcoin if you are convenient with Bitcoin. And what is the minimum withdrawal? You see, half a pound. You can withdraw £0.5. You can withdraw £1. You can withdraw £2, and you can withdraw £5. So I'm going to be showing you how to make £5 every single day using my tutorial steps. So I want to advise you, as soon as you install this app, don't skip any of my steps. Set up your profile. Once you install the app, you need to set up your profile. You can see, look at review. It's an excellent survey. You can see a lot of people are giving 5 stars, 5-star review because the app is paying. It's an excellent, it says excellent survey app, and it's simple to use. And this one says, I have been using HICH app for a while now, and it has the power to be reliable and user-friendly platform for earning money. So I want you to grab this app. Don't joke with it. If you are making £5 every day, times 30 days, that's £150. And £150, if you convert it to Nigerian naira, that's about 285,000 naira, 854,000. So about almost 300,000 naira, which is above your minimum wage. This is just monthly income that you will be making if you follow my tutorial step. And make sure after you have installed this app and you have created your account, which I'm going to show you right now, once you have installed this app, it will show you open. That's by clicking the link of the person that sent this update to you. Make sure you also copy their invitation code because you need it once we open this app. So right now you click on open. If you have installed the app, you click on open and it's going to open the app and it's going to show you the interface like this. So I want you to pay very close attention. Make sure that you click on continue with Google. That's you sign up with Google because it's the easiest way to sign up. Sign up with Google. That's with your Gmail account, and make sure that the Gmail account is connected preferably to your YouTube, the one you are using your YouTube. Make sure it's the Gmail account you use to sign up. It is very important because so that you can earn coin just for subscribing to their YouTube channel. That's just the only reason. So if you don't have YouTube channel, you can sign up with any of your Gmail accounts. So, but preferably the Gmail account you are using for YouTube. So you click on continue with Google. So I have already signed up, so I don't need to sign up again. But if you have not signed up, it's going to pop out your Gmail account that is on your app, and on your mobile phone. So I am going to select my Gmail to log in. So I'm going to log in right now. So in your own case, the same process as I am opening this app, that's what you're going to follow. It's going to prompt you that you want to proceed to sign up. You click on continue, and then it's going to open your dashboard, your interface dashboard like this. So once you get to this interface dashboard, I want you to pay very close attention. The first thing you do, don't rush. The first thing you do is to go and set up your profile. Please go and set up your profile. Don't skip it. If you skip setting up your profile, you cannot withdraw. You cannot earn from the app because they will tag you as a robot. So what you do is you click here. Let me click it again. You see these three hamburger lines. You at the top left of your dashboard, you tap on it to open the profile menu, and then the first thing you do is to click on your profile. You see the profile here. That's you see by your top right. You see it has like a pencil icon. You click on it next to your profile picture. You click on it, so it's going to open your profile. So what you need to do is to set up your name. You enter your name. You can put your first name or your first and second name on the same place. Then you enter your username. This username is very important. Make sure you put a very simple username. Don't put a complicated username. Make sure your username is simple and clear. Like my username is wealthmedia. So if you are signing up with my referral link, definitely you are going to use my username, my invitation code wealthmedia to enter in the app. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. So make sure you enter your username, then set your bio. You tap on this, set your bio. You can say, yes, I am a content creator and digital marketer. If that's what you are, you enter it, just something very brief. You can enter, I'm a marketer, or you can enter, I'm a businessman, and set your profile. So make sure once you set your profile, set your name. That's the first thing. You can type your full name. That's the first thing you do. Next, you set your username, put a simple username. So please mind you, this is the username you use to activate your account so that I can get 1,000 coins. If you use that's the username in the post. If it is not my username used, just use the username that is in the post that is sent to you to register. All right. So once you save your username, the next thing you set your bio, and then you set your date of birth. You tap on it, and then you set your gender. You set your gender. If you're a man, if you're a woman, you set it up, and then you just go back. You tap on this arrow and you go back. It will ask you if you want to save. You click on yes, save. That's the next thing you need to do. Now, after that, the next thing you need to do is, after setting your profile, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the hamburger profile. That's your menu. You tap on it again to open the menu, and then you tap on share and referrals. You click here, share and referrals. It's going to bring you to this place, this interface. So what you are going to do here is to enter the invitation code of the person that sent this update to you. You are going to see it in step 5 of the post that they sent to you. So go to their post, copy the invitation code, and tap here, got a referral code. You tap on the invitation code, because this is very important. If you don't do it, you are not going to get 1,000 coins. So for you not to miss out, make sure you use the invitation code of the person that sent this update to you. Go to the post in number 5, you copy their invitation code. So right now I'm going to put the invitation code of my inviter, that's my upliner, so that my upliner is going to get 1,000 coins and I'm going to get 1,000 coins. So that's how it works. So I'm going to paste it. So in your own case, you put the invitation code of the person that sent this update to you. Please don't forget to do this. Now, once you paste it, you click on verify. It's going to show a green button here. You click on verify. So it's going to verify the person. You're going to bring out the person's picture, verified by, you see the person's picture and the ID. It's going to bring it out. Then you click on apply code. So I'm going to click on apply code. So it's going to apply the code, and it's going to give me 1,000 coins. So to check your coin balance, you click on the hamburger menu, on your hamburger menu here. You see, you click on it. So you check your coin, you tap on your coin. See, I have 1,518 coins. So that is my coin balance. So right now, I'm going to show you how to make money from this app. So what you're going to do next is get your referral link. That's the next thing you're going to do, because this video is going to be short. So I'm going to send you my next video. Once you chat the instructor, the last link in that post that is sent to you, you are going to click on it to chat me, so that I can send you the next video tutorial. Because if you don't complete the steps in this video tutorial, you cannot get the next video tutorial. It's very, very important. This tutorial is very, very organized. We are very organized because we are interested in generating you £5 every day. This is a simple strategy that our team have worked on, and it's working for us. You'll be making £5 every day, and you'll be withdrawing every day to your PayPal and to your Bitcoin. So right now, before I show you how to get your referral link, you earn points, extra coins, just by answering simple questions. You say, what is the type of person you should avoid investing your time and energy in? You can see drama creators and toxic personality, chronic complainers with no effort to change, people who constantly drain your energy. You see, this app is education. I love this app. Education is going to teach you so many things about life. So you say, what is the type of person you should avoid? I like this question. What is the kind of people you should avoid investing your time in? So here I'm gonna the option say drama creators and toxic personalities. Option 2 is say chronic complainers with no efforts to change. Then it says people who consistently drain your energy. It's a negative influencer who limit your growth. Self-centered people who don't reciprocate. Then dishonest or manipulative individuals, unrealistic individuals. So whichever one you choose, you get your coin. So I think based on my opinion, I'm going to choose negative influencers who limit your growth. I think that's my own choice. I don't know of you. You see? And see, then it's going to pop out the next question and say, what do you think? Which God is more powerful than others? Well, in my own case, I'm a Christian, so I'm going to go by my Lord Jesus. So I tap on my Lord Jesus. See? All right. So the next question is say, Park Shin High. So pretty. So which one is pretty? So I'm going to click on this. So that's just what you do. Clicking on pictures and answering simple questions. The questions are even objective. You don't need to. You say, which world heritage site is known as the Palace of Winds? So I may not know. You don't have to even know the answer. Just tap on anything and you get your coin. You see. So that is basically how you earn. You say, what is one thing that ignites your soul, fills you with purpose, and makes time disappear? So it says challenging yourself through sports, chasing your dreams. I think chasing my dreams. Yes. Yeah. I think I have. So right now, the next thing you do is to click to get your referral link. I'm going to show you how to get your referral link, which is what you are going to use to insert in the post that was sent to you. So you click on this hamburger to get your referral link. Click on this hamburger line. Then you go back to that share and earn. Go back to share and earn. And then it will bring you here. So you can see this is where to copy. What you need to do right now, you tap on copy. And it's going to copy your ref link automatically to your clipboard. You copy it, you go and paste it somewhere. Then you also come back here again and copy your code. That is your referral code. These two things are very important. You copy, you paste it somewhere. Okay, let me just do this. Copy referral code. I've copied my referral code now. So I'm going to go to my WhatsApp and paste it in my WhatsApp. So I'm doing this practically so that you will follow my step. Follow Uno Road. Yes. So now I'm going to copy the referral link. I'm going to copy it right now. I'm going to copy the referral link, paste it here. That's the referral link. So I'm going to save it in my WhatsApp. Then I'm going to go and copy the referral code. These are the two important things that you need. So you tap here to copy the referral code. So it has been copied. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to paste the referral code. That's the invitation code. So this is the invitation code. The next step you're going to take, because according to the post, it says we have done number, let's see, how to start. So according to the post, it says how to start. Okay, how to start. Number 1, watch my first tutorial video, which is this video we're watching right now. So you have to watch the video. Number 2, click on this link, which we have done, to go to Play Store or your App Store. And number 3, open the app and sign up with Gmail account. Same Gmail as your YouTube. We have done that in the video I've shown you. Then go to profile and make sure you set and complete your profile to earn 1,000 HC coins. So I've shown you that one. You do that. Then I've shown you how to do that. Then go to share and referral. Tap on get referral code. Enter this referral code. So this referral code, that's what you enter. Your upliner's referral code, the person that sent this post to you. We have done that. So the next thing, copy your own referral code, which I have just done that, you can see. So I'm going to insert it in this post. That's your next step. Your next step, you copy this post. After you have set up your account, you have set up your profile, you highlight this, you press on this post, and then you copy it. See, I've copied it. So you're going to paste it in your WhatsApp typing section. You're going to paste it. Then you're going to replace two things. These are the two things you are going to replace. You are going to replace the referral link. That's this number 2. Click on this download link. So this referral link, you are going to put your own referral link. Let's assume this your referral link. You are going to replace it and put your own, replace it with mine and put your own. Then the number 2 thing you are going to replace is your invitation code, which is this. You are going to, the second one, you're going to replace it here. So then you're going to copy this and share it with your friends. That's the next thing you're going to do. You're going to share it with your friends. You need to invite 10 friends for this tutorial to work, for you to be able to make £5. You're going to copy it. So I'm going to share with my, I'm going to start sharing. You can see I'm going to share with some of my friends. Let me start with this. I'm going to share with some of my friends. You can see I'm sharing with some of my friends right now. So that's just basically what you're going to do. You're going to share with your friends and invite them. Very, very simple. Within 10 minutes, 20 minutes, you see a lot of people are going to join because it's a free update. So if you like, you can highlight on it and click on forward and forward to 10 friends. That's 55 WhatsApp. You can forward. Let me forward to my group. You forward to group. You see. So it's very, very simple. You forward to 10 friends. 55. So you keep sharing. The more you are sharing with people, you see in no time, 10 people are going to join. So the last thing that is very important, as you can see in this post, which is the last step in this post. This post is very long because it's a tutorial income project. So you have to learn and follow the steps, step by step. See, in number 7, it says, make sure you chat this tutorial instructor. So that's the last thing you're going to do. As you are sharing with your friends, you have set up your account. So for you to get my next video tutorial, the next video tutorial that will show you how to earn lots of pounds, how to be earning £55 every day. So you're going to click on this chat link. You tap on it. It's going to open WhatsApp, the WhatsApp chat of your instructor. So it's going to open the WhatsApp chat of the instructor, and it's going to drop a message, an introductory message. So once you have chat the WhatsApp instructor, make sure that you introduce yourself, drop your name, and the WhatsApp instructor is going to send you the next video chat. That is the next video guide. So click on continue. It will take you to WhatsApp. So that is where you're going to chat your instructor, and your instructor is going to send you the next video guide. The next video guide is very, very important because without this next video guide, you will not be able to proceed and earn money from this app. So you just send them this. This will pop up. You're going to send them. So you introduce yourself, and then I'm going to send you the next video guide on how to use this trending app to generate £5 every day and withdraw to your PayPal or Bitcoin wallet. Thank you very much for attending this tutorial. So please make sure you complete all the steps in this post and do the steps, and I'll see you in my next video guide. Thank you very much. This is Royal Farms signing out.